In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best bushcraft gear available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market, so whether you need best bushcraft gear, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Bushcraft Gear. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. 5Joy Military Folding Shovel Multi-Tool, a multifunction e-tool, very compact and versatile, heavy-duty and well-made. Includes extra equipment such as an emergency whistle and fire starter, slip-proof and water-resistant handle, adjustable shovel angle, military-grade folding camping shovel, backpacking tactical emergency tool. Number 4. Don't Die in the Woods, World's Toughest Survival Bivy. Built-in hood only available from Don't Die in the Woods. Wrap around your head to retain up to 10% more body heat than other brands. HeatFlex Mylar. Thicker and more flexible than ordinary space blanket Mylar for increased durability and reduced noise when moving in your sleep. Available in 3 colors: Army Green, Survival Orange, and Woodland Camel. Profits for the planet. A percentage of profits are donated to local and global conservation organizations. Number 3. Click Most Funded Portable Chair. Folding chair, backpack portable, aluminium frame. Extremely easy to use. Patented design, straightforward setup, tip-proof design. Additional carry methods available for purchase. Unfolds and quickly sets up from the size of a water bottle. Comfortable and stable seating at 10 inches off the ground. Park easily and take anywhere at 3 pounds. Weather, water and kids proof. Number 2. Sunyear Single and Double Camping Hammock with Net. Compact and lightweight, available in single or double sizes. High quality 210T parachute nylon. Durable net for your adventure. Maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. Heavy duty nylon fabric. 100% money back guarantee. 12 kN ultra light heavy duty carabiners. Number 1. Ubeleben Zundan Fire Starter. Premium 100% hardwood handle is handmade and provides a naturally textured grip. Includes a fire rod, 6-function multi-tool scraper, and paracord iron yard. Equipped with a hardwood handle that offers a better grip. Compact and space-saving design allows to carry while traveling. Ferrocerium is the perfect balance between softness and durability. Includes fire rod, 6-function multi-tool scraper, and mil-spec 550 paracord lanyard.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.